Is this thing on? Great! Hey, welcome back to the garden. It's been a while. I've had some PC problems. My PC was an older one from around 2015, and so editing these videos became a little bit problematic. So I've upgraded that one. I have a new camera that I'm shooting with right now, which is a Canon EOS R50, and I'm very glad with that one. I've also shot my previous video with that one. I hope you enjoyed that Halloween special. I sure did. And I have this new wireless microphone. So even when I'm walking around in the garden and I'm talking from a distance, hopefully you'll be able to understand me. But you're not here to listen to me ramble about my hardware. Today we're getting the last harvest of the year out of the garden, and I'm especially looking forward to, as well as dreading a bit, the potential harvest of the sweet potato. Alright, let's start digging. So why did I somewhat fear the harvest of the sweet potatoes, or rather, the lack thereof? As you might know, my garden has been plagued by the vole as it has nibbled on most of my veggies. In order to keep it outside of this grow bed, I laid down a double layer of chicken wire at the bottom. Unfortunately, that didn't work, as I did find some tunnels when digging out this bed. I could see that a few plants only had small tubers, as well as some indicators that the vole had gorged itself on the earlier and bigger ones. But I was lucky that some of the plants were left alone and had fully formed potatoes. And that's all of it. I'm happy. It could have been a lot less, given that the vole found its way inside the grow bed. There's a few big ones like this, a lot of small ones, but we can definitely make a few nice meals out of this. Again, I'm happy. And I'm going to get the rest of the harvest out of the garden right now. Butternut. Now, as a little bit of additional information, we actually had a contingency plan concerning the sweet potatoes, as we actually planted a few sweet potato slips back at home in the garden, and we haven't dug them up yet, so I'm also wondering what kind of harvest that will give us. So as you can see, there still are a few cobs of corn that I can harvest. They have been on the plant for a while, so they're pretty dried out by now. As you can see over here, this one is pretty underdeveloped. So yeah, this one goes onto the compost pile. This one is not too bad. And there you have it, my last harvest of my first year in gardening. If you've enjoyed this video, then please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I just realized I don't have a bag to carry this home. My last harvest of my first year of having a garden. My first. All right, let's start digging. Jesus. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. I have a new microphone, so you can hear me while I'm talking. My last harvest of my first year. In the beginning. Oh wait, I forgot. Wind, water, earth, fire, Captain Planet! Missed the 90s. I forgot the sunflowers. Oh well. I hope you've enjoyed sirens. It's ambulances, it's AWACS, it's all of it. Hi, my name is Jay. Today, oh wait. Hi, my name. Yeah, you're still on. Let's do that again.